Got old linseed oil sitting around? Or a jar of medium that darkened and thickened? Let's talk about the right way to store your oil painting mediums, because no one wants to waste good materials or deal with spoiled, unusable mediums. Welcome back to Painting Best Practices. Oil and resin-based mediums can last a long time if stored correctly, but they can go bad quickly if not. Let's review the steps to take. First, always keep your mediums in tightly sealed containers. Air is the enemy here. Oxygen starts the oxidation process, which can cause your medium to skin over or even solidify over time. Glass containers are best, especially amber glass, because they don't react with the contents and they help block UV light, which can degrade oils and resins over time. Speaking of light, store your mediums in a cool, dark place. Light and heat accelerate drying and chemical changes. Avoid windowsills and warm storage closets. A drawer or cabinet works well. Keep an eye on how much empty space is in the container. Less is better. The more empty space in your container, the faster the medium will oxidize. If the bottle's half empty, transfer it to a smaller one, or drop in clean marbles to raise the liquid level and minimize air exposure. Here's a great trick for paste mediums. Those made with drying oil and extender pigments, like the ones used for impasto. This tip doesn't apply to fluid mediums, since adding oil to the top of a liquid can disrupt the balance of the mixture rather than protect it. So for paste mediums, add a thin layer of walnut oil to the top of the medium before sealing the jar. Walnut oil works well because it's slow drying, compatible with oil-based materials, and creates a barrier that slows down oxidation. When you're ready to use the medium again, just pour off the excess from the top. And finally, label your bottles. When you mixed it and any additives. You'll thank yourself 6 months from now. To recap, keep your lids sealed tightly, store your mediums in a cool, dark place, and try to minimize the airspace in the container as much as possible. You can even add a thin layer of walnut oil on top of paste mediums to slow oxidation. And don't forget to label your bottles, what it is and when you mixed it, and anything you've added. It only takes a few extra seconds, but it saves you guesswork down the line. With a few simple habits, your mediums can stay fresh and reliable for a long time. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video from Painting Best Practices. See you next time.